This is the Tolomato Cemetery in St. Augustine, Florida. I'm going to take us on a brief walk through as today is a special day, one of only 2 hours a month that this particular cemetery is open to the public to venture through. Here again is an example of wrought iron around the tombstone. Remember that this keeps the spirit safe and keeps anything evil on the outside. Here we have some above ground tombs, a large one, most likely up to 3 people inside. I do want to show you this one as it has collapsed. This person was born in 1802. In 1855 was the death, so this is well over 100 years old. But again, this has collapsed. And the body's no longer inside. It would have been moved somewhere else. Here we have an unusual concrete structure around the tombstones. As you can see, a lot of shells inside. Now this particular area that I'm walking to in the back here was the site of the Tolomato Mission Indian Village and Church, and that was back in 1705. That would be this area back in the back here that I'm panning over right now.